2019 was amazing. Not just because everything went well, it was more of a sine wave. So things went up, everything was good, and then it went down, something was not good. And again, after some time, it went well. Now, in this video, I want to talk about the achievements, the upper part, and the learnings, the lower part. Of course, nothing is bad, everything is learning. So, of course, we can talk about achievements and learning. I want to focus more on the learning part, but let me finish the achievement first. So in Jan month, I have given my first TEDx talk, which is available on the channel. It was a great experience because when you go to, let's say, if I give a talk in a college or in a corporate environment, it's a bit different because you'll be having 2 hours, 3 hours to convey your point. But in TEDx talk, they will give you 18 minutes, and you have to convey your point in that time. So it was a great experience. And after that, I've also given the international talk on blockchain in Malaysia, and it was great. Different experience, different culture, different type of people, and different mindsets. So it was great. Now coming to Feb, it was a vacation month because of birthdays, anniversaries, and Valentine's Day. But in first week, I went to Delhi for a conference where I received the award for distinguished technical trainer of the year. I don't know why, but that was Feb, awesome month. And then things were not that good after that, but we'll talk about it in some time. And this year, one of the biggest news for me is we are blessed with a baby girl, and it has changed my attitude towards life. It has changed the way I think about everything now. So as a father, it's a bit different. It's special. I'm very happy. Now coming to the YouTube part, coming to the Telusko part, it was an awesome year in terms of the meetups we have conducted, a lot of seminars, meetups in different locations, and this year we have also crossed 500,000 subscribers. I don't know in which month, but then it was a great benchmark for me as well. So number doesn't matter after 1 lakh subscribers, but of course it's a good thing, right, to get a subscriber count like that. Now that was the achievement part, which is not that important. The important thing is learnings for this year. Now it was a great year in terms of learning, both in a professional life and a personal life. So what I've learned in a personal life is it's very, very important to make a balance in your professional career, in your personal life, and your me time. So normally, most of the time we focus more on our work. We don't focus on the family. We don't focus on ourselves, which is a bit wrong. You have to focus on yourself as well. You have to focus on your family as well. And this year I was not able to do that properly. I don't know why. So this is something I've learned, how to give enough time to your family, how to give enough time to your work. Okay, I'm still learning actually, but that is very important in your life as well. Don't just focus on work, work, work. It's important, but then family and your time is also important. So that's something I've learned. And the next thing is about demotivation. In fact, I used to make a lot of videos about motivation, how to stay motivated, how to work, how to make projects, how to make videos. And I used to feel, anyone can get motivated, anyone can work as fast as possible. But this year was a learning experience for me. In terms of work, maybe, I don't know if you have observed this, but on this channel, I was not able to publish as much as videos as you expected, or I was expecting a lot. So normally that was my agenda last year, to at least post 1 video per day, but this year, it was more of a video per week, right? Which is not something I wanted. So I wanted to make more videos, I wanted to make more projects, I wanted to take a lot of corporate training, but I don't know, maybe it is something to do with the type of work which I was getting, the type of content which I was making, or I was a bit demotivated to work on these things. Maybe I was getting affected by the comments. Maybe I was getting affected in terms of the self-confidence. I don't know why. I don't know what went wrong, but I am coming back, possibly. So this is something I've learned or realized, that external motivation is good till some point, but you need inner motivation, or you can say self-motivation, which is very important. So maybe I have to find a way to self-motivate myself, and maybe I can watch my own videos, the previous videos which I talk about self-motivation. So it is very common for everyone, which I'm feeling now. So be motivated and work. Doesn't matter what type of work you do. If you're a programmer, build projects. If you're a trainer, teach. If you are a tester, find bugs. solve the problems and be motivated. That's important. So one more learning in month of November, I met with a minor accident. It could have been a major accident, but thankfully it was minor. Maybe everything happens for a reason. I don't know. I'm still looking for the reason, the good thing about it. But I met with a minor accident, and normally I always wear helmet, and I've been riding for a long time. But on this particular day, I was in a hurry. I forgot my helmet in the office. I thought it's a short distance I have to cover. I can go there, and the speed was around 30 or 35 kmph, not more than that, and still I fell from my scooty. So that's weird, right? And then I got two minor fractures in my wrist and in my leg, and one injury here. But one thing I realize, doesn't matter where you are. It can be your last day, right? Okay, it was not a big accident, but it can happen, right? So make sure that you have a life insurance. Make sure you always wear helmet. Make sure you are always attentive when you're riding. So you should always focus on the road, not on the other vehicles or something. So that's something I realized, and because of which I was not able to make videos. So then I realized health is more important than wealth. I used to always believe in this thing, but somewhere believing and experiencing it's a different thing, right? So I used to believe that health is more important. Now I've experienced it, so I should focus more on my health. Wealth is something which will be coming for sure, but health is more important. So that was a great so it was a great year, and I'm still enjoying all the perks which I received, and I'm still learning. Still one day to go. So today is 30 December. Still one day is there, so let's see what else can happen in that one day. Maybe good thing or a bad thing, so not sure. So yeah, that's about the rewind of 2019. Let me know how was your year. So 2020, of course, I can make another video on that. What are my plans for 2020? So that's it from this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have learned something in this video.